It's not the lash they fear. It is my divine power.
Yeah, man. Finally get the demo from the Cherokee, man. I can't wait. Had one speaker down the last time. Got them all ready to go. Charged up, ready to go. Man, those doors. Look at them doors. Yes, sir. Close the door?
Yeah.
Look at the booty on the thing. Right. What you do to this thing, man? It wasn't that loud last time. What you do, man?
Better sub more power.
You had the same sub last year?
No, I had SAs.
Okay, that's what it is then, man. I was like, good Lord. That was way louder.
It is.
Dang, man. That was a good demo right there, man.
It is. It's twice as loud.
You got room for one more?
Yeah, I just found a song. Can't play too low with the SPL.
Dang, man. That was hurting my eardrums right there, man. I just want a little taste. Don't give it too much, man. You're killing me. So how much power you got on them now?
2 SD12Ks.
Okay. 12Ks first 2 subs?
Yeah.
And they taking it. Dang, man. Those ZV5s ain't no joke.
I know.
Ain't no joke. Man, you can tell, look at the booty on them things. Yeah, man.
Right there.
That's fire trucking for real, man. At its best, bro.
One of my amps went out on me, man.
Yeah.
It fucked me off, man. It's cool though.
Yeah, what it is, man. Bass head problem.
Yep.
Man, appreciate that demo, man.
Let me hear it.
You get in?
Yeah, appreciate that demo, man. That was up.
All right, man.
Man, woo-wee. Hey, listen here. High bass wasn't playing. Man, he was not lying. Appreciate it, man.
You're welcome.
Got that Zeus on what the mid tweak.
Woo, Lord. Oh shit, damn.
Oh shit, damn.